Hello everyone. It's been more than a week since my last video. I literally disappeared for 7 days. And there's a reason for that. I wasn't just traveling, I was on a journey to a place where faith breathes, where devotion has taken form. You might be wondering, where did I go? I went to the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi in Ayodhya, and what I experienced there is something I still can't fully explain. But before we could even go to Sri Ram Lalla, there's something you must do in Ayodhya. There's a rule here, unwritten, but never broken. Before you stand before Sri Ram, you first seek the blessings of Hanuman. So, we went to Hanuman Gadi, because here, Hanuman is not just a devotee. He is the guardian, the protector, the Kotwal of Ayodhya. It is believed Sri Ram himself asked Hanuman to stay here, to watch over the city and bless every devotee. Which means no one reaches Sri Ram without first passing through Hanuman. And as you climb those steps, with chants echoing around you, you don't just walk upward, you feel something shift within you. As many of you know, the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi is a high security zone. No mobile phones, no cameras, no distractions. And honestly, that's when you realize how rarely we are truly present, because inside there is nothing between you and the divine. And maybe that's the beauty of it. When everything else is taken away, what remains is pure connection. Standing there, in front of Sri Ram Lalla, witnessing the divine Sri Ram Darbar, there are no words. It's not something you see, it's something you feel. A calm, a presence, a peace that stays with you long after you leave. The temple itself is not just architecture, it's devotion carved into stone. And then came the one moment I could capture on my mobile at the banks of the Sarayu River. As the sun begins to set, the air changes, the chants begin, and something inside you just slows down. As the sky turns golden, the ghats begin to glow. A group of trained acharyas step forward, each movement precise, each gesture filled with devotion. And then the aarti begins. Flames rise, bells echo, mantras vibrate through the air. And just when you think you've seen it all, comes the moment that left me speechless. Towards the end, these priests lift massive aarti thalis, each lit with 15 to 20 flickering lamps. These trays are incredibly heavy, yet they sway them through the air with a grace that seems superhuman. You realize quickly that this isn't just physical strength, it's a gift. Perhaps Sarayu Maiya and Sri Ram themselves lend them that power. And in that moment, you realize this isn't just strength, it's devotion, it's divine energy in motion. Words and descriptions honestly fall short of the spectacle we witnessed. So, I'll let the footage speak for itself. Some experiences can't be recorded, can't be explained. They can only be lived. And Ayodhya is one of them. Here are the glimpses of the Sarayu Ghat Aarti, a moment of pure divinity. But trust me, the real magic is waiting for you to experience it yourself. Close your eyes, feel the energy, and let yourself be there for just a moment. If this touched you, don't just watch. Plan your visit, feel it, live it. And if you want more such real, powerful experiences, hit that like button and share your comments. Because this journey has just begun. Jai Shri Ram.
Sri जल बिंदु को गिर